Hey guys, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I decorated my guest bedroom for fall. Now the colors that I will be using are not your typical fall colors, and actually I used this pattern here in my living room for summer. But what I'm going to do today is share with you how you can take light and airy colors and warm them up for the fall. So I had these flowers in the living room for my summer refresh, as well as this glass vase. And so I'm going to challenge myself not to spend money in this room and just recreate a warm and cozy space using things that I already have in my home. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is wipe down all the furniture with this multi-surface everyday cleaner by Meyer's Clean Day, and the scent is Acorn Spice. And I felt like, since I'm not using traditional colors, that this spray would just help bring in that warm, cozy vibe. Okay, so this is the dresser, and so I'm going to add a few elements of gold decor just to warm it up a bit. Okay, so I have some gold leaves that I want to add to the vase just to give it a little touch of warmth. Okay, so here I just added some gold leaves to the blue summer flowers just to warm them up a bit, and then I added a pair of gold candlesticks and a blue votive candle holder. And then I placed them on this mirrored capiz shell tray. And then next I'll add a few pumpkins just to bring in that festive feel. Okay, so this is what things are looking like so far. And the pumpkins are the only thing that I purchased for this project. And I got a small bag of pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and they were $7. Okay, so this is the bed and its neutral color palette. And I'm just going to warm it up with some cozy pillows and a throw. Now, if you're wondering about the pillows, these pillows are by Interior Designs by Shenell, and they can be found on her Etsy shop, and I will leave her information to her Etsy shop in the description box below. Also, if you're wondering, this is a French country spread, and I got it from Amazon, but I got it a couple years ago and I don't have any information on it. But you can Google French country spread, and it has a nice padded top, and then it has a ruffle to the floor. And then another secret that I'm gonna let you in on is this bed wrap that I have at the end of the bed. I have my comforter wrapped in a 96-inch long curtain. So the comforter underneath is a light gray, and I wanted something just with a little bit more pop of color, so I found this blue curtain, and I think it worked very nicely. So I have these two blue pillows that I'm going to add to the bed. Now in the summer, I used it on the solid side, but for the winter or fall, I'm going to use it on the stripe side. And the stripe side has a little bit of metallic stripe, and so that's going to really fit in with what I'm doing. So next I added this really pretty gold and cream fur pillow with metallic accents. And then next I'm going to add this fuzzy throw. Okay, so on one nightstand, I just added some of my summer flowers, and then I just added some gold spray painted flowers from the Dollar Tree just to warm those summer flowers up a bit. And then I'm just going to add my blingy pumpkin just to the side. And guys, I have quite a collection of these pumpkins. I inherited them from a friend of mine, and I just like decorating with them. And then the friend who gave them to me is very dear to me, so I'm not ready to part with them just yet. And so the pumpkins are the reason why this room got somewhat of a glam decor style. Okay, so on this side, I just added a simple mercury glass vase with a little touch of gold, my lamp that I spray painted gold over last summer, I think it was, and then just a simple blue candle. Okay, are you guys ready to see how things turned out?